Hey everyone! In this quick 2026 guide, I'm going to show you how to change your Outlook view, so your inbox looks exactly the way you want. So first, open Outlook and head into your inbox. At the top, you'll see a tab called View. Go ahead and click that. This is where Outlook keeps all the layout and display options. Now, if you want a cleaner inbox, you can switch to Compact View. If you like seeing more details, try the Single View or Preview View. Just click through them and Outlook will change instantly. Yeah, super quick. If you want to customize even deeper, look for Change View in the same menu. Click it, and you'll see options like Manage Views, Save Current View, or even creating your own custom view. You can change fonts, column spacing, message preview lines, all of that. You can also adjust the reading pane from the View tab. Set it to the right side, bottom, or turn it off completely if you want more space for your email list. And if things ever get messy, just hit Reset View. Outlook will snap everything back to the default layout so you don't have to worry about messing anything up. And yeah, that's all you need to do to change the Outlook view and make it fit your workflow perfectly. Oh, and thanks for watching, and feel free to like and subscribe if you found it helpful.